Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Fact. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the JPEG file Photoshop opening error. Stick around, I'll show you how. Last night I have recently received some photos via WhatsApp and I tried to edit it in Photoshop. There is a message popping up just like this. There is few steps to solve this problem. Okay, just right click on the photo that you have received in WhatsApp and go to edit and then just save this photo. That's all, save. That's it. So just let's try it. Okay, that's all. Now you can edit the photo. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more technical support and more videos.